Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize a status bar. That is this function right here at the top of the screen in our Huawei P60 Pro phone. We have to enter our settings. We have to look for notifications and status bar. Next, status bar options are hidden here. And we can make some changes. For example, we can turn off automatically everything, or we can choose what to hide. For example, app notifications now are gone, network provider name, it's gone. We can save some space, and we can also change our battery icon here. We have to go to these options and battery percentage. We can don't show it. We can use as it was next to the battery, or the percentage is displayed in the battery. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.